Hello, anybody here? Oh, gotcha. That's just my. This is my aunt's. It's like, how many months ago was that? I forgot. Hello, anybody's here? Just write your um, chat over here. I'll start it. Hello. Connected. All right. Let's start with riddles. Let's see if this can hold. There. What's happening? Let's see how many minutes this can hold without buffering. I am using Chrome instead of Firefox, so maybe this is better. Okay, guys, are you ready for the riddles? I'm just gonna read the riddles, but I'm not gonna translate it to Tagalog because it's a little bit confusing. Is it better? Is it not buffering in your video? Okay, riddles. Well, let's try word riddles. Okay, whoever can answer this, I will watch your videos. Your lots and lots of videos if you have a channel. This is for helping each other's watch time. Okay. Number one riddle for the day. What five letter, okay, what five-letter word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? What five-letter words becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Okay, write down your answer here in the chat, and then I'm just gonna go make a list of however I will see your uh, videos in your channel. All right. The answer to this riddle is short. The answer is short, so let's analyze it. So what five-letter words become shorter when you add two letters to it? So five-letter words is short. And if you add two letters to it, like if you add E and R, it will become shorter. What? It's confusing. Okay. Short. Short is a five-letter word. But it will become shorter when you add two letters to it. Oh, I gotcha. I gotcha. Because short, and then if you add ER, it will become shorter. So it's shorter. This is very good. I like this, guys. Okay. Number two riddles for today. What begins with an E and only contains one letter? Alright. What begins with an E and only one letter? It's only one letter. Whoa. What begins with an E and only contains one letter? This is tricky. Okay. I'll give you the answer. The answer is an envelope. So, if you send a letter in one envelope, is only one letter. So that's what it's meant. It's confusing. It's hard to analyze it. It'd be very hard to get the answer if you don't know it. You don't know it yet. Okay, let's continue to number three riddles for the day. A word I know, a word I know, six letters it contains, remove one letter and 12 remains. What is it? A word I know, six letters it contains, remove one letter and 12 remains. Huh, this is pretty hard. Okay, let's analyze it. A word I know, six letter it contains, means it contains six letters. Remove one letter and 12 remains. 12 remains. This is hard to analyze, guys, but I will just read it and give you the answer. A word I know, 6 letter it contains, remove 1 letter, and 12 remains. What is it? And you know the answer is dozens. And I don't know how is it. I don't know how it become dozen. Okay, okay, Zorian tip. I will find a easier riddle. I give you the answer to that. It's a dozen. This is called word riddles. How about math riddles? Zorian TV, you're good at math, so let's try. Let's try math riddle. Okay. Number one math riddle. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? To get it? Anybody get it? Write down your answer here. Is it still difficult? It's still difficult? Okay. Then the answer for that is I'll read it again and then I answer it to that. When you listen to it next time, then you will remember the answer. This is the number one riddle of math riddles. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? And the answer is 7. So odd number is 7. When you take away a letter and I become even. Oh, yes, see, it's 7. You take away the letter S and it's become even. Got it? Got it? This is cool. I'm learning it. I'm learning to it. Oh, it's okay. Just, just uh, listen to it. Oh, good, Zorian TV. You got it. Yay. So, is it easier, guys? Math, do you like math better or just the regular word riddles? I think the word riddles is uh difficult. It's more harder, but some of it are easy too. But you have to learn a lot of words and lots of different country. So what do you think? Are we gonna continue for the math riddle or just a word riddle? And we have a children's riddle too. Children's riddles are the easiest one. Do you wanna try word riddles or child's riddles or and math riddle? Anybody? Okay. I will continue for the math riddle for now. I will just wait until you get a request. If you want a request, which one do you like the best, and then I will uh, go ahead and follow what you want. But as of now, I will just continue for math. Math is fun. Okay. Riddle number 2 for math. If those company, like if those, TWOS, if those company and threes a crowd, like three with S, like multiple three, like double twos. If those company and threes a crowd, what are 4 and 5? If two's company and three's a crowd, what are 4 and 5? And the answer is 9. Okay, let's go analyze it. This is harder. If two's company and three's a crowd, what are 4 and 5? And the answer is 9. So the two's is for company, uh, and three's a crowd, and 4 and 5 are 9. Well, I can't I can't explain this. Well, we're just gonna go. If you get that answer in it, just write it down in there, and I will give you uh, what's time are in your videos. Okay. Anybody wants a request of what kind of riddles do you want? Okay, for now, let's gonna try a riddle for kids. Any kids listening out there? I was gonna try riddles for kids to make it easier. Okay, riddles for kids. And number one, riddles for kids. This is looks funny. Okay, David's parents have 3 sons: Snap, Crackle, and what's the name of the third son? David's parents have 3 sons: Snap, Crackle, and what's the name of the third son? I'll just leave it that unanswered. Maybe you can figure it out next time, and I can redo it again in my next live. So I read it again, but I'll just gonna leave it unanswered. Riddle number one for kids. David's parents have 3 sons: Snap, Crackle, and what's the name of the third son? All right. Anybody can answer it? You're gonna get a prize if you can answer them. Okay. Just put like number one riddles for kids. Answer. Kids riddle number one and then your answer. Okay? Let's move on to riddle number two. Riddle number two, kids. For kids. For kids, riddle number two. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or scratch me. What I am. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? This one's really good. This is a very, very common riddles for kids or for adults. I know the answer even if I didn't look at the answer. So leave the answer in the comments here and you'll see riddle number 3 for kids. Answer. Read it to you again. Riddle for kids number 2. I follow you all the time and copy every move, but you can't touch me or catch me. What am I? All right, let's move on to Riddle for kids number 3. So you type your answer in the chat, and then you're gonna type riddle number for kids. Air, what number is that answer, TB? Zorion TB, what number did you answer? Is it a riddle for kids 1 or 2? What? You're very far from the answer though. Either one or two. That answer is too far away. Oh, can't touch. No, it is not that answer. We'll play with it a lot. Like you look at it, especially if there's a sun behind you, and then you'll just dance and play with it. How there you go. Yeah, you got it. Good job. Congratulations. There you go. That's very easy. You got 1 point, Sorion TV. I will make a list for you. Sorion TV. Uh, one answer. Correct one answer. Right. Just put one in there. Okay, let's go to the number 2 question for kids riddles has been answered. It's a shadow. Let's move on to number 3 questions. Riddle for kids number 3. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? What has many keys but can't open a single lock? It's a thing. It's a thing. It's a. I'll give you a clue. It's a musical instrument. Has a lot of keys but can't open a single lock. Good job, Zorion TV. You got a point. Now, answer the number 3 riddle. I'll give you a clue. It is a musical instrument. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? This one has been answered. Yes. Check that number 2. Okay. If you can't answer that, let's move on to number 4. We'll get back to that next time. I'll just check the one that it's been answered. Okay, number 4 riddle for kids. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right? Huh? That's weird. I can't hear that one. I don't think this question is accurate. I can't do both. Well, let's go. I don't like that question number 4 because it's not accurate. Because the answer is your right elbow. Oh, okay. I guess it's inaccurate. It said, what can you hold in your left hand but not in your right hand? Your right elbow. See, you can hold your right elbow and you can hold your left elbow at the same time. No, that's complicated. I will just go ask somebody to explain it to me. Okay, let's go move on to riddle number 5 for kids. What is black? What? How is that in the question are correct? It's you can hold your elbow in your left hand and your right hand at the same time. I tried it, so I have no idea how did they make that answer. But I guess I don't understand it that much, but I will ask somebody for it. Let's see if it's accurate or not accurate. For me, it's not accurate. So I erased that riddle. The left hand can't hold the left elbow. Oh, so you have to hold your left elbow. Let's see. What can you hold in your left hand? Okay, left hand. You hold your left hand. Hold your left hand, but not. Oh, gotcha. Oh my goodness. You got it. You got it, Zorion TV. You're so smart. Good job. Okay. I guess that's accurate. That is accurate. Okay. Yeah, it makes sense. Because it's talking about elbow. I thought it's talking about uh, when you hold your right elbow and your other hand can hold your other elbow, so it can hold at the same time. But I guess I mean your hand, not your elbow. It makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Well, but that's not counted in her. No, nobody answered. But you didn't answer it. So okay. Let's move on to question number 5, riddle for kids. This one is difficult for kids. What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? What? What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? What in the world is that? What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? No, not charcoal Zorion TV. This is another one that it didn't make sense to me. What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? Oh, gotcha. I know it. Okay, just leave this blank. I figured out why. What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? We use it. Okay, I'll give you a clue. We use it a lot when we were in school, especially when we were in elementary in the Philippines, but not here in the United States. Tire. A tire? No, it is not a tire. Give you a clue. We use it at school. We use it at school a lot in front of the classroom. Oh, not a well. That makes sense too, because if you run through the white area, then your tire will become white when it's dirty. But it is not the answer. Hey, hi, Cat Potato Gamer. How are you doing? Do you know the answer of this? But usually, it was used in the Philippines when we were in elementary school. I remember my teacher when I was in fourth grade, and then we went to the front and he tried to let us answer the questions, and then if we can't answer it, we just throw away a eraser in our head, and we got a lot of joke in our That was funny. Hello, Potato Gamer. Okay, I will just leave it. I will leave that blank. I don't want to answer that because I might use that in the second time of um, live stream. Let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the next riddle. Hey, Potato Gamer, can you answer this? You're smart too. Think you're smart too. Okay, the number 6 riddle for kids. What gets bigger when more is taken away? Oh, this is easy, guys. Come on, think. What gets bigger when more is taken away? I will give you a clue. You're in the ground and you're making something. You're in the ground and you're digging. Oh no. Oh, okay. I almost see it, but oh, that's so nice, Cat Potato Gamer. All right. What was that? Anybody can answer it or just leave it this for the next? I'll leave it this for the next uh live stream. Now we're on 32 minutes. My target is 1 hour. So tell me if it's buffering somewhere or it will continue. It's continuing with a good now. Because every time I went to live, it always stopping and it always making a buffering. So, hey, Cat Potato, can you answer this? What gets bigger when more is taken away? And a clue? You're on the ground and you're digging. It's getting. Oh, okay. Just popping to say hi. So you don't wanna answer our question? If you answer this question, there is a prize. What what gets bigger when more is taken away? A clue? You're in the ground and you're digging. I think that's really really easy to answer now. But well, we'll do that for the next. We'll do that for the next uh, live. And let's move on to the riddle number 7. Riddle number 7 for kids. I'm light as a feather. Oh, I like this one. I'm light as a feather, yet strongest person can hold me for 5 minutes. Ah, I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? Wow, this is really nice, guys. Answer me, I'll give you a big reward. But I don't know how to give you a clue. I don't know how to give you a clue for this, but it said, I am light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? What am I? I am light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? right, let's go. I leave that. I still leave that. I will give you a chance to answer that. You will have a chance to answer that. So I'll just leave that because I really liked it. Let's go to. Oh, hello, Tim Bickett. How are you doing today? Do you can you answer this or have somebody get help from somebody to answer this? Because I really like this. I really like that somebody can answer this. I am light. Okay. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? Anybody? Well, if you can think of something, just answer that. I was gonna move on. I was just gonna move on to number 8 riddle. Okay, riddle for kids number 8. I'm found in socks, scarves, and mittens, and often in the paws of playful kittens. What I am? What am I? Oh man, this is the hardest. Well, I'll just read it to you and then move on to the number 9. Okay. I'm found in socks, scarves, and mittens, and often in the paws of playful kittens. What am I? So yun, TV said hi to Tim Bicket. Cat Potato said hi to Tim Bicket. Cat Potato love my videos. You know who's Cat Potato, right? That's just fun. But just nobody can answer my riddles. Okay. Oh, okay. I can do that. I forgot about it. I know how to do the jacket. Uh, oh, I forgot. Not that one. Oh, how do we put the jacket? I forgot. I got you a jacket. I don't know how did I get a jacket to Timbuktu. Oh, okay. There's no sound. Oh, okay. How did I get a jacket for you? Oh, hello. Yeah, I'm in the live stream. Can I finish it? I'll call you back. Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. I don't know how to put the jacket. Okay. We'll go. I never heard of a jacket before, but I will try, okay? For now I'm just gonna go uh read more riddles and but I'll figure it out how to put jacket. I don't know. Can put a jacket if the viewer does not watch live in a certain hour. Oh, okay. That is okay. How about this? Oh no. Okay, I'll figure that out. Okay, let's move on to number 9 riddles. Number 9 riddles. Answer this, and then you will get a prize. The Zorion TV. Mine is black. What black? Okay. Your name, it's color blue. Zorion TV said, see your name is color blue. Oh, yeah. Then I forgot how did I do that. How did I do that? We'll just figure it out later. Okay, guys. Let's go to riddle number 9. Riddles for kids, riddle number 9. Where does today come before yesterday? Wow, this is a weird question. Where does today come before yesterday? It is very, very short question. But can you answer this though? The riddle is for kids. Riddle for kids. I've been reading Riddle for kids since we're at number 9 now. So, hey Erminia Samora, how did I put you a jacket? And I can't put another jacket. I don't know how to put jacket to Zorion TV. Okay. The question is, where does today come before yesterday? This is very complicated. I can't even give you a clue. The clue is like there's a lot of words recorded in there. All of the words from the old times gathered together and record in that one book, and it will become bigger and bigger, and there'll be more and more words into it and meaning. A ring. That's right. It's a rinse, not a jacket. Why did they call you a jacket? Why did they call it a jacket? It's a rinse. I'm confused. Okay. You get the number riddle for riddle number for kids. Where does today come before yesterday? A clue? It's a big book with all of the words gathered together from the very old times until today. I don't know if you can get that one, but haha, we Zorion TV said, haha, we made the term jacket because if you visit Willie's shoe, if you perform, you get a jacket. Oh, I didn't know that. That's interesting. Willie's shoe. So it's in the Philippines. That's why we never heard of that here. Bigyan ng jacket yan. Oh, okay. That's interesting. I like that. So, okay. I think nobody can answer. Nobody can answer my question here. So, let's go. Armenia said, ha ha. No, it's ha ha ha. I did give Armenia Samura jacket and big Tim Bickett and that's all. I think two. I should give a jacket to Zorion TV and Cat Potato Gamer and other people that don't have any jacket. orange. A real jacket. All right. Hey guys, are you ready for that? For this? There is a prize for this number 10. A riddle number 10. Riddle for kids number 10. Yep, you got it. You got it. What? Erminia Samora, what did you get? A jacket or the answer? Did you get the answer? At the number 9 question? Like, where does today come before yesterday? Number 10 already? Yeah, we're number 10. We're going to number 10, but I just read the number 9. But if you want to answer the number 9, you still can answer it. Just write down your answer here and put number 9 and then your answer. Okay, we'll move on to number 10. Okay, riddle for kids number 10. Question. Okay, this is good. What invention lets you look right through a wall? Wow, I like this. It said, what invention, I don't know who invented this, but what invention lets you look right through a wall? Whoa, this is really good. In our village in the Philippines, you can just go jump through it. What does invention, what invention lets you look right through a wall? Oh, well, no, there's a wall, but you can look right through it. So there's a wall, but you can look right through it. It's so it means it's a transparent. So it's transparent. Okay, I'll give you a clue. All the houses has it. Oh, it's so close, but it's a glass, but there's a name on it. There's a specific name for it. If you have it in a house, if you have it in a building. There you go. Yay! Good job, Zorion TV. You got 2 points already. Wow, you're the smartest person in this live stream. 2 points for Zorion TV. I will write it down so that I won't forget. Anybody can answer the other numbers though? Hey, Cat Potato Gamer, you didn't answer this. This is really, really easy question. Glass window. Who did answer first? I know, it's Tim Pickett answer first. Because here, that's the number 10. So, Tim Pickett said glass, and I said there's a. Please type the question here in the chat too. Glass window. Okay, Zorian TV, I think it's a glass window. That is Tim Pickett answered it first. So that it's her points now. Sorry, that's her points for Tim Pickett. One for Tim Pickett and one for Zorian TV. Okay, it's that's okay. This is fun. We'll make it like real. We'll make it like real, Armenia. It's okay. Yeah, use your name channel in here. It's so fun. Glass windows, yeah, it's a glass windows. It's a glass windows, Cat Potato Gamer. Dorian TV said, Armenia, we don't use our name here. We use our the name of our channel. Yeah, haha. Cat Potato Gamer. Lol. Lol. Laugh out loud. Armenia Samora said, haha, okay, Zorian TV. Haha. Cat Potato Gamer. Oop! Oop! Is that oop or oops? That sounds funny when you said oop! Cat Potato Gamer. LOL. Laugh out loud. Lol, I got it first. Yep, Timbikit. You got it. One point for you and 1 point for Zorian TV. And I already read 10 questions. So there are 8 out of 10 questions that are not been answered yet. So we'll do that again next time. For now, let's go. Cat Potato, are you Filipino too? She, I think Cat Potato is mixed. maybe, maybe. But she doesn't know how to speak Tagalog. I mean Tagalog, Visayan. So just speak English. Okay, what was the question again? We're number 11 now. I haven't read the number 11 yet, so we're going to it. Okay, let's go move on to Riddle for Kids number 11. If you got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't kept me. What am I? What? To get it? Okay, I'm gonna try to write it down the answer because that was Sorion TV requested. Okay. I'll read it again and I will write it down, okay? Riddle number 11 for kids. If you got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't kept me. What am I? This is a long, okay. The question. Okay. Ah, that was funny. Okay. Timbikit, what was the question again? The question 11, Timbikit, is if you got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't kept me. What am I? All right, Cat Potato Gamer. I will type the question now. This is very long and I'm not a very fast typer, so give me a minute. Give me a minute. I can do it. If you got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't kept me. What am I? What am I? All right, there you go, guys. I type it down. Do you think? Who's chewing gum? Who's chewing out? Who was that? Yeah, let's adapt. Let's adapt. Also, I am playing Adapt Me. Okay. Cat Potato Gamer. I'm playing Roblox. Playing. Lol. Cat Potato. Yay. Zorian TV said chewing gum. Zorian TV. Ha! The host is lazy to type. I got it. Look. I got it. Type it down. If you got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't kept me. What am I? Oop! Well, what are you doing, Cat Potato Gamer? Why do you keep doing Sid? Oop! Soyon TV said, chewing gum, who wants to share a chewing gum? Haha. Food? No, it is not a food. It is not a food. It is not a thing. A clue? I give you a clue. Okay. You like to, you have something very important to tell to your friend. Like, you're very, very excited to tell to your friend, but you always tell your friend, don't tell anybody. But your friend will always like to share somebody. It's like, no, it's not. It is not a feelings. It's feelings. A secret. I haven't read your first one. Good job, Tim Bickett. I can't believe you did it. It's a secret. I guess I give a very, very clear clue though. She got it. Yay, Tim Bickett got it. 2 points for Tim Bickett. Cut Potato Gamer, you don't have any point yet. It's a secret. Yep. Yep. Remember, if somebody tell you a secret, some people can't sleep. If somebody tell you a secret, sometimes you can't sleep without telling it to anybody else. But I can keep a secret. I'm very good at keeping secret. So you don't have to worry about telling a secret to me. If you will tell me, if you will say to me, I will don't tell anybody, then I don't tell anybody. I am a very good secret keeper. So I always keep secret. All right. Good job, Team Bicket. You got 2 points. 1 point Zorion TV, 2 points for Team Bicket. How about you, Cat Potato Gamer? She got it. Haha. Feelings. Erminia Samora feelings. It was close, Erminia Samora. That was very good. Okay. She got it. Cat Potato, you did off. What is that, Cat Potato Gamer? You did off. And Cat Potato Gamer low. And Team Bicket C, yay! Zorian TV, oh man, Cat Potato, you got 0. Okay. And Cat Potato, you can do it. I don't really want to answer riddles. Uh-oh. Why not, Cat Potato Gamer? You can answer it too. It's easy. It is easy to answer. Okay, what else the question? Also, I am building things on Roblox. Okay. You can build the things on Roblox, Potato Gamer, Cat Potato Gamer. We're going to the... Well, guys, I'm out of kids' riddles, so we'll just go... We will go to the easy riddle. I have easy riddles here. Oh, wait, I still have it. Like 30. 30. That was number 11, riddle for kids. Hey, Tim Bicket, are you ready for math riddles? Zorian TV said math riddles are very, 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 very difficult. But you think you... Okay, anybody? All right, Zorian TV, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we'll continue for math riddle. I'm gonna read this math riddle again because I like the math riddles. Where are you? Where are you? There we go. I will read it again in the math riddle. Okay. I am odd number. Riddle number 1 for math riddle. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What number am I? You still want me to write it down? It's a lot of typing to do. Okay, Raminya Samora. This is easy for you. I guess you're smart at math too. So, okay, listen. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What am I? What number am I? Got it? Got it? All right, Zorion TV, good luck for your meeting online. And thank you so much for coming. I appreciate your coming and I have fun with you. And you got a point. Congratulations. We'll see you next time. All right. Anybody can answer the math? Okay, I'll type it down now. Maybe it's easier. Okay. I'm okay. I'm no, I'm not I'm. I am an odd number. I am an odd number. Take away a later and I become even. What number I am? Oops. What number I am? All right. I write it down. I write it down. Oh, what's Dorian TV say? Okay. One. Erminia Samura said one. No, Erminia, it's not one. Uh, Analyze it again. It's an odd number. Take away a letter and I become an even number. So the odd number will become even if you take the letter. If you take a letter away from it. So a number, I'll give you a clue. It's a number. I mean, it's not really a number. It's a number word. Oh, it's a word number. No, it's not six. So if you take away, I'll give you a clue now. Make it very easy for you. So if you take away the S, what is left? Timbikit. It's not even. It's an IX. How do you read the IX? By the way. Yeah. You got it? You got it? Take away the S. Yeah, but what number am I? What number was it? What number is it that if you take away the S, it will become the word even? Remove a one. Okay, pick a number word, and then if you take one letter, it will become even. Because the there you go. Hey Zorian TV, did you hear that in the first time? Did you get it in the first time? Zorian TV got it, guys. See, it's seven. It's seven. So if you take away the S, yes, it's seven. That's the right answer. Oh, so you figure it out. Haha. Good job. Okay, Zorian TV. How many points do you have? Two. You got 2 points. Two for Timbikit and two for Zorian TV. Yay! 2 and 2. We got a tie now. How about you, Erminia? Erminia Samura, you need to get 1 or 2. Zorian and Timbikit got 2. Cat Potato Gamer don't wanna answer. That's okay. Now you're even. That's right. You are even now. Okay. Let's do 2 more questions. I'm gonna go. I need to go because I have to taking care of things. Somebody called me. Somebody called me and want me to taking care of things. Okay. 2 more questions and we're good. Okay, math riddle. We're doing another math riddle. This is very hard, but I keep giving you a clue that you can get it. Okay. Number 2 riddles. Number 2 math riddles. Man, there's a lot of typing on this. But I'll just read it to you. Hey, tell me if I don't need to write it down. Okay? If you can understand what I'm reading. Okay. Riddle number 2 in math. What three numbers, none of which is zero? What three numbers, none of which is zero, give the same result whether they're added or multiplied? Oh man, this is really hard. But let's just go find a different riddle, guy. I don't think you can answer this. This is super hard. We'll skip the number 2. We'll go to the number. We'll go to the number 3. I'm not gonna write it down because it's very long. Not a very good typer person. We'll go do. Let's go do a word riddle, okay? Word riddle is easy. Word riddle number 1. And 2 more word riddle. What would you find in the middle of Toronto? Now that's very easy, guys. I don't need to give you a clue. What would you find in the middle of Toronto? I can write this down because it's not very, it is not very long. What would you find in the middle of Toronto? Toronto. Toronto is a place, you know. What would you find in the middle of Toronto? Not supposed to be a question mark. Oh, man. It's already been answered, guys. It's Tim Bickett. Wow, Tim Bickett is very, very smart. That's why the son is very smart too. Okay, guys. Tim Bickett got 3 points. Oh, Erminia Zamora, you got right. But Tim Bickett got it first. I'm sorry. It's okay. You're so funny. Hey, Erminia Zamora. Tim Bickett was very fast. And you got the right answer too. But Tim Bickett got it first. But that's okay. You'll get it again next time. We'll get it again next time. But I have to go. But I have to read one more question. One more questions and we're gonna go live again next time. This is really fun. I'm gonna find a harder and harder, and then I was just gonna go give you a clue. The number 2 word riddle question. Hey guys, I'm not gonna write it down because it's very, very long. I mean, it's long. Okay. You see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. What am I? Oh, this is hard. Okay. You see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. What am I? I'll just write it down. This is the last one, so that's okay. Okay, I write it down. This is the last one. It said, you see me in June. You see me once in you see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. What am I? What am I? All right. What do you think? It said, you see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. What am I? Got it, got it, get it? Where? Oh, okay. I didn't say it. Oh my goodness. I was very, very focusing on my typing because I'm not a very good typer, but you got it. You got it. Oh, Timbikit, can you just give this to Arminia Samura? Because see, you're you're very close. We'll give some 1 point to Arminia Samura. Okay? So that Arminia Zamora have 1 point, 3 points Timbikit, 2 points for Zorian TV, and 1 point for Arminia Zamora. Is that okay? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is really fun. I would love to do this again next time. We'll see you guys next time. I love you all and have a wonderful day. And in the Philippines, you're sleeping near in the middle of the night there, but in here it's in the middle of the afternoon. See you guys next time. And bye. Congratulations. Congratulations to all the winner. Yeah, Lorian TV, I'm not good in typing. I will try next time. Bye everybody. Have a good day and night.